Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening.
Hey, Raga, may I help and may I call in about my boss? Raga?
Yeah.
I work with him diva for 5 years.
Yeah.
And I look good, Raga. And every time I see the boss, like she come in at the kitchen and she had noticed me. But Raga, one day I go in her room and I tidy. I see this big soft something.
Yeah.
And it's inside the bathroom. So I say, but Jesus, how could I want this? But when me look, I want big fat something.
But it was a dildo.
Right.
Okay, so you're a helper and your boss, and you say she always a look on you.
Away.
A look on you away.
Right.
And one day
but I always see this whole heap of woman a come. And me not really take it for nothing. Since last year, December now, she say she go holiday in. And she carry me. She a whole heap of woman. When me go down there now, big boss in her good up job and go see an her there. And when me go down there, 5 away, and them give me a proper sort out.
Who give you a proper sort out?
My boss and her friend them.
Your boss is a big shot, powerful woman.
Right. And she and her friend them.
And these are all women.
All women.
And she carry you go a Hilton.
Yeah.
And
not Hilton.
Not Hilton.
No, we go Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Right.
And when you say your boss and her friend them, I mean all 4 of them?
4 of them, 5 a week. 4 of them.
And the 4 of them give you a proper sort out?
Alright. After that now, Raga, the boss now is like, after we come back in a town and everything, me say to her, say, so what that's all about what you do? What do they do me? She say, oh, you mean we just are getting into the family? So me say, like what? Me know you didn't like it. So
she said to you, say she know you didn't like it.
Right.
Well, you tell me the truth. Did you like it? Was it good?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it. Was that your first time?
Yeah, my first time.
And you didn't like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not know I will come back in a town now.
Yeah.
It's like one weekend may I go home. She said to me, say, you go home this weekend and me da plan to carry go somewhere. Me say, where you da carry me? Me say, well, me I go home, you know, cause me not really in the nature for the woman today.
Right.
So, she said, no, you can't do that. Anyway, me say, all right, well, me I go anyway. Because it's like, for me and her do the things, like, she just take it as a dainty. She never want to pay me. So after that, now, me say to her,
well, after them do them thing that you, she never want to pay you after that?
Like, me work and she don't want to pay me.
You say she take it like a dainty thing now, like right. She own you now, so the 2 hours a day.
Me leave the Friday, so she call me, say, if me I come in Monday. Me say, me no really know, you know. Me never go in the Monday. She said to me, say, she call me and say, you know, someone come up and me a plan to carry go somewhere. Me say, me no really, I go nowhere with you. And that is just, she live with her husband and her 3 kids them.
Well, all this time this woman live with her husband and her 3 kids?
Yeah.
In the same house?
Yeah.
Where you work?
Yeah.
She have her husband and her 3 picnic them?
Yeah.
And so what happened after that, you know what?
After that, no, and she called me back and whatever, and me I tell her, I say, but you know, look like you'll pay me again. It's like, you take it at a different level. So after that, no, brother, she called me back and I come back. Crazy money she give me. It's like, she tell me something if you do nothing for her husband. And if her husband take off him underpants, he's supposed to wash it. I know if you touch nothing for him.
Oh, but Chagwa like you are dead right now.
Right.
Yeah, and then why else?
Nighttime, it's like me can't sleep at nighttime. She torment me the whole time.
So every night she just come feet and goes?
She just come and torment me for the whole night. Then one day now, me see she
So it will go on for the whole night, every night, regularly?
Right, every night she don't want to stay with her husband.
Okay, Well, you think the husband know?
No.
Him no know?
No.
Okay, go on.
One night now, me see him she carrying a girl. The woman look good, you know. But it's like when she carrying the girl, you know, and everything. So they threw away. And the husband, they gone because them have a funeral, so them gone. Threw away. The whole side of the woman look good, but Raga, when the woman take off her clothes, public service lockdown.
Why the mic drop off in there? Me there grown. What are they? Wait, when she take off her clothes, public service.
When the woman take off her clothes and you look boutiques, no public service line in Jamaica again. Every public service lockdown.
I make people understand what you really are saying about her. Yeah.
Boutiques, the 2 foot, black. That means Storm come and public service cut off the light.
Blackout.
She who a whole heap of public service
bill. She who a whole heap of public service bill. No light, be a darkness. Be a darkness.
So when she come in now, because she has set up me and she know, I said to her, I say, well, bossy, if this is the one night for me nature day, the day today.
A week. Yeah. So what happen after you make her know say you nah do nothing?
Me nah touch this so.
Because she bring blackout, come for blackout, come do things.
And me can't take the blackout.
And you can't take blackout at that because you will walk and buck your head.
Right.
Okay.
After that now, and everything now, she come in the room and she and I go on with her things.
While
and
you were there?
Yeah, me was there and me sit down and watch it.
Okay, careful. Yeah.
And after that now, and since last week now, I said to her, I say, but just take this thing, say, you know, I'm not continue this thing, you know. This thing I've done with because this does saltness them something I carry down for you because me straight, me not them type of person here.
Right.
So I say to her, she said to me, say, how me I do this to her? I say, what am I doing to you? Because she tell me, say, her husband have prostate cancer. Him no have no use to her. And if me I go, our life I got over. So me say, then what happened to the dildo them where you have in the room? Your life no over. You have your dildo them. And she did it. Alright, she give me $50,000. She put it down. She said to me, say, love or money. Me say, right now, me I take the money. Me no love. And when she put on the 50,000, I said that to her, she take it out back. So me say, well, keep your money and keep your love, me in it. And me leave. She keep on calling me, I don't answer the phone.
And this was about when you left?
Last week Monday.
Right. And she rings up your phone and I call you back.
Right. And the man called me now.
Who?
The man. Called me, asked me why me not come back to work, and me I tell him, say, me not feel so good and me I go come. So since Tuesday now, I come back. When I come Tuesday now, it's like she come and she did and talk to me and she said we can't be friends, we not have to take it to the level there or whatever, and she go on and talk. So me I say, look here, right now, me not really in it, because you have your kids them and me not feel right film.
A big picnic shop, never a big picnic.
9 and 12-year-old.
Not 3, you say?
Twin and a single.
Okay, all right.
Right. And after that, no, she go on and she go on and she go on. She said to me, say, then why you come back for my husband and you never come back to me? Hello?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you, ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, and brother, she take off her clothes, she have some costume and one big heel shoes. And she come in her room and she strip and she dance.
Well, she put her costume and come in the room and strip and a dance. A strip and a dance.
Right, and a dance. And when she dance, and she dance and she come up in my face and she shake up on her breast. How you like it?
No, we can't, don't give me no details about that, here.
Yeah.
All right,
and she come up in and I say, how you like it? Me say, I don't really like it. That don't intimidate me, so don't do it.
Right.
And she keep on going. Last night, no, me inside of the room.
Quick, here, we only have a minute left.
Okay, she come with a big something ice cream, so she carry it to me.
Ice cream?
Right. When she come with it now, she carry it and she come in the room with a glass. She come in with a long glass of wine and she sit down. And she did it and she told me, I really want a ice cream, you know. Because I'm not slim, you know.
Right.
Fat.
Okay.
Not fat, fluffy, but, you know, look good.
Right.
And she did it and she talk and she talk and she talk. But I always mix up my figure about that woman. So since at the time, I go, I really can't give it.
All right, hold on. You mind if we call you back tomorrow?
No.
We can call you back tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right, then we'll take your number here.
Okay.
All right, then. We'll see you online. Let me tell you something, Jermaine. That's why, you see, enough of them talk about that program here and this and that. And I really about certain things where I'm concerned about children are afraid, you know. Or for them afraid. And mama tell you. Not for them afraid. Because with all due respect, you know, mix up hot and whatever and this and that. But in her capacity as an employer and the role, it's some serious form of sexual harassment. This way you really think about it, you know. You understand? That's some serious, you know, big, powerful woman and whatever. And you can see that lady come from humble background as a helper and whatever. And to be maneuvered and manipulated. And a damn type of, I bet you all a woman that don't like me. You understand? Mixup! Whoa, don't come knock my body. Yo, wanna take care of yourself, you know, because I don't know, so I'm blaze it up 1 o'clock tomorrow again, you know, we're going to call back the lady and see if we can understand some of the other issues that may exist there and thing and whatever, because our goal is to laugh, learn and grow, and learn we will. And there's so much that is going on in Jamaica that we need to learn about for real, yo. And we have the pleasure today of having with us in studio a woman who is no stranger to Jamaica and no stranger to many parts of the world. And I dare say no stranger to many fantasies held by men out there. Yeah, that's true. Colleen in the building! What's up, girl?
I am totally fine.
Yeah, no, Colleen. No, well, I didn't. It was a Colleen I got looking for his hair.
Don't you listen to the Slam Condom ad?
I know, but no, Colleen, I tell you, you have the voice there. You know, say, yeah, you see, I live me here did there. And me here cuss and whatever. But I don't say, listen now, make me talk, you don't talk. Make me talk and you don't talk. Because yeah, one of them boys saying that we all try to put our foot on and say, listen to me now, Carly. I want you to stop this foolishness. I'm the man of the house. And then you would have just say, honey, say respond.
No, Rago.
All right, me come in and me say, listen to me now, Carly. Me are the boss of the house. When me say, at that go. You understand what me I say?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, what me I say? Yeah. You hear what I say?
I do, honey.
I know, make me talk again.
Are you okay now?
Yeah, man, yeah.
And at this time, I'm taking off my clothes.
Okay, all right, then. Mind the bossy people ain't going to cuss with. Colleen, what's up? Yeah, you're the official representative for Slam Condoms, of course.
Spokesperson, yes,
this has been a relationship for a while now.
15 years.
15 years?
Mm-hmm.
You know, that is a good sign, you know.
It is.
It
especially
means Slam do something good and you do something good. And it means by nature you're a loyal person. You don't get bun.
I don't.
You don't get bun?
No, I don't.
Never get bun yet, Kylie?
Not that I can remember.
Not that Spoken like a true diplomat.
I will take people's man, but I don't get bun.
You. No, you keep it real. Because what the Cecilia do in interview, she keep it real. She says if the man are married and him same day with the woman.
I don't date married men.
You don't date married.
No.
She sees if the man are married, but him same day with somebody and him a look and she like him, she says she gonna take him.
Yeah.
So you say you will take people, man. You're not either.
No.
You're not either.
No.
So what I'm doing, the bossy people are listening to, this is the depravity that this is a bad example for the kids and what. And I'm listening, may I tell you from now, people going down you.
But.
Yeah, keep it real though.
Yeah, some of them are doing it too. Exactly. And they're married.
True. But not for the bossy people, them know who I take over, man.
They all do.
It is amazing to me when you talk to them and they will just quietly tell you all of them big shot official people who are take who are born who are put up with who and this and that. Them know the things them know.
I was listening to the show yesterday and that young lady you had on the show.
Which one?
The helper.
The helper. See that?
Oh my God! I was
See
like,
that?
yeah,
The helper.
I've heard stories like that.
You know that is not that uncommon.
No, and as you said, it is sexual harassment in the workplace. So? Of course it is.
No, but one thing I'm going to ask her, I mean, you know, sexual harassment, the power. Because the question is, would she have consented to that sexual encounter were it not her boss?
No.
Who controls the money where she gets.
Remember what she said the first time it happened? Four of them. This is no rape, you know. And she wasn't given the opportunity to choose. It was chosen for her. But she said she enjoyed it. She did, based on probably if it wasn't her boss, she would have probably said no.
No.
Right.
Because if the boss said, listen, we're going to the hotel.
And we're going to have fun.
She's a helper, the boss, you know.
And we're going to have fun at the Holiday Inn in Montego Bay? Wow.
No, but them probably don't even say have fun, you know. Probably them just in her room and because you know,
No, but she's taking it as fun. We're going to a hotel in Montego Bay. She'll never probably get the chance to go to the Holiday Inn.
Exactly. So all them little factors they put it in place.
Everything. And she says she's fluffy and look good, so...
So, you know, we're going to talk back to her today.
You have to.
It's like, when they put her in the room, like if them just move to her and surround her and whatever.
Yeah, I wanted to hear you ask her what happened. Not in detail, but in, you know, oh no, she did. She said they started doing stuff.
She did?
Yes.
But
yes.
She said them carry her there and give her a proper salve.
No, she said they were doing stuff and then they came on to her.
So you think, the question I'm asking, and we are lay people, we're not lawyers, so we're not versed on it. But do you think some sort of abuse took place there on the part of it?
Indirectly, yes. If we should take it from the lawyer point of view, it could be.
No, but what if she never said no?
Well, then it wouldn't be rape. It wouldn't be rape.
If she never said no, she don't want to do this thing in mind, you know.
But it wouldn't be rape. But that don't stop it from being sexual abuse.
That's a good point. Right. Sexual harassment.
Harassment,
right.
sorry.
Harassment. No,
so it's not rape.
That's a good point.
Right.
That you've made a very important distinction here. It doesn't have to be rape.
Right.
For
it's not rape.
Be sexual harassment.
But it's sexual harassment.
It's
because if we know and the swiping goes, and if somebody, especially she didn't know what's going to happen.
That's a key point, though.
So she's curious.
Right.
And you know how the human body are. We get turned on for simple things. So I can imagine if for beautiful female in one room.
Right.
You know, your imagination starts to go, and if they're making sounds.
Well, we don't want to go into detail upon that because it boss out there too and the broadcasting. But anyway, what we ask, I understand what you asked.
And she got carried on.
Well, but...
And as I said, some things are new to you. You're curious.
No, but Colin, if a man said to you, say, come down to my hotel room and carry down our hotel room, and him don't tell you what him up to, you know.
But you notice what you said.
He said, come follow me.
But you notice what you said.
What?
A man to his hotel. So my mind would be running wild. But my girlfriend, as you spoke a couple of days, that girlfriends are the one that moves on to girlfriends. You know, we take off our clothes and think it's okay.
Right.
Now a girlfriend said, Carlene, come and check me by the Holiday Inn. You know, long time don't see you. Oh, Ted, I'm gone.
Because you don't think anything
I'm not thinking anything unless I know otherwise. But if a man says that to me, I'm going to think about it.
I see what you're saying. So you're saying legally we want to be arguing this case. The argument would kind of follow along this line that, Your Honor, if a man asks me that, I know men are.
Right, I'm going to start thinking, do I want to go the other distance?
Right, then I'll be careful. But, you know, there's a reasonable distinction to be made here. This is somebody I trust. This is somebody who has never related to me in that manner before.
And she has a husband and two children.
She has a husband and 3 children.
3 children, a twin and a single.
So, you know, if she asks me to come down to the hotel, we have gone places before. It's my boss, for God's sake. So when I went down there, I wasn't expecting to be ambushed with 4 women with very talented lips. You understand?
Probably looking sexy, smelling nice.
I said, this is Arab.
And I, for some reason, I believed her. She sounded rather innocent.
She was credible.
Yeah, and she was honest.
And when we ask her certain things, she tell the truth.
Did you like it?
Did
she
you
said,
like it?
Yes.
Even when she said, you know, she never really want to continue. Right. She taught the truth and said, no, me not telling her like it did feel good. It did feel good. She tell me say it did feel good.
She did, and she enjoyed it. But it's not her nature. So reality comes back to her when she goes into...
Quick question. Is it the case that a woman can engage in a threesome with another woman and a man, but she's not a lesbian?
She has done lesbian activities.
But it's not a lesbian?
She's not a lesbian, and it goes for men too.
Okay.
Biased you may be, it goes for men too.
It goes for men too?
Yes. Lesbian, the form, the term, the correct meaning is it's out of your mind, and it's totally what you do. So you don't go to 2 women tonight and a man tomorrow. You're not a lesbian. You might be bisexual.
Oh. Because the way I think, it's like, if you thief something one time, are you forever a thief?
In your mind, you might be.
No.
Whoever you stole...
Once a person committed the act of a thief.
Whoever you stole from is a person who's going to judge you. So let's say they forgive you.
No. We're not talking about the person. And people say, no, you're itzy.
No, sexual act is different from thinking. You don't have to actually do the act.
That's the point. That's where I'm getting at.
Right. So if he's a thief and he has stolen before and continue to think about stealing, he's still a thief.
So it's where your mind is real.
It's where your mind is and how you carry out what you do. So I go back to a man. A man had a sexual engagement with another man, depending what the circumstance is. Because he could be raped. That doesn't make him gay.
That's true.
Right?
He's
going to move his life. Right. He can go 2 ways. He could probably like it and continue.
That's the truth, yeah.
Or he goes back to who he really is with a problem, because it would probably bother him.
And him can't get over the problem.
He should.
And he goes back to being a full-fledged heterosexual.
Exactly. Because females have been raped on many occasions and they move on.
So would you say this helper is a lesbian?
No, not from what she said, because the blackout one, the light bill.
Yo, she done the place. No, but that is the argument.
I pull off the road, Raga. I pull off the road.
That is the argument some friends and I had, because them say she's a lesbian now, and I said no. And I said,
it was a sexual activity.
But she enjoyed it at the moment.
Of course.
And I'm saying my argument was, if a man will a woman and rape her at some point in the rape,
she might like it.
It don't mean she was a rape.
Exactly. It started out with no.
Hold on there. We're going to break and make Mademoiselle here read the news like she does so well, and then we're coming right back to Carlene in the building.
The dancehall queen. Firstly, though, Raga, I want to commend you on an excellent job.
Thank you.
And I'll say this because when you listen to the news, nationwide or otherwise, and you hear our status in murder rate, crimes, you need something different, and that's you.
It's an alternative.
No, that's you.
That's
my opinion, and a lot of people. This is why you have so many listeners and callers. Right. There are so many other things to be serious. It's very serious about in life.
Right.
And you're trying to change that trend you have in some quantity.
And I'm not saying people are not supposed to be serious about what they should be serious. I'm just saying
I
provide a product that...
There is already so much seriousness.
Thank you. On the radio, don't you?
On the radio. Some days it's like, do I take a pill and don't wake up?
May I tell you, depression will that kill you.
80 in a country of 2.5.
You're right.
80 murders for the month.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
You see it then.
So we need to laugh a little, think a little, and experiment a little from listening to Ragashanti.
Experiment a little, yeah. But Colin, before you go, say, how you feel if say, till this day, you haven't been a man there, but people, your name still a call up with being a man. Is it a burden? Does it get annoying sometimes?
Depends on what they say. Like downtown, it was like, a lot of people don't know me per se when they see me out of character.
Right.
And a lady was like, see Carlene there? And the girl said, Carlene, where? Oh, Beanie Man Carlene. So
you still refer to as Beanie Man Carly.
Beanie Man Carly.
Whoa.
And it was okay. But it's sometime when him say, take him back, and it's a long story behind that. I'm like, okay.
Oh, okay.
It's
Them
been
time
10
they
years.
get a little bit too much.
Yeah, because, it's like, and then the...
Talking got you never there with man will get annoyed with it. We just... him there with you.
Over and over.
And them just say, them have to live with this for the rest of my life. People are associated with
You see, this is why I try to date real men.
Okay, who them think they don't bother them?
Doesn't bother them because it can. Oh. And you remember, Beanie Man is also provoking. He will sing songs with my name in it.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
But when you
so a real big man have to jump back and say,
man, when you have a real man.
That's what he does.
Yeah, that's Beanie Man.
Right, that's Beanie Man, I understand it. You can't be no look a frefre.
No, you can't.
No look a frefre come and say, yo, we my call up in him, go over and go war him.
But you forgot when we did our commercial?
Yeah, when you
and I.
When we did our Mandingo commercial.
When we did our scene commercial.
In the bedroom.
In our bedroom.
Right.
They don't know it was a studio where there was several cameramen.
Right, but...
And I had to defend it month after month. And then I said,
with the person you were with at that
time?
No.
He was cool. He knows you, so you know that, no.
Oh, okay.
He understood that I went to do a commercial.
Okay.
But it was the people. And they were like...
you mean people? What them did I say?
So you left the big man and gone to another big man, and it was all kind of stuff.
So them believe me I did really there for you?
Yes, they did.
Hold on. You tell me how people believe me I did not do the things for you?
I could not deny it.
You look at troublemaker.
I had to just say, think where you make. Because guess what? It's a man.
All right. And listen, and when them do it, just tell him, say, well, fine, if you don't want things on the things, and listen to me. When
some wanted details, was really real.
Tell him that you had a slipped disc in your back when you were finished.
No, because I was in a coma.
Good. Yeah, tell him in a coma. How many that one good, mad. Darling, it's always a lot of fun talking to you, I think. And again, want to say huge thanks to you and enough respect to Slam Condoms.
Oh, I have to big up somebody.
Please,
it's Mrs. Cole in Portmore, one of your most
devout fans.
Yeah, she's not going to call ever. She's not
Mrs. Cole.
Mrs. Cole in Greater Portmore and her son Kareem, they always listen to
All right, bless them up, man. Bless them up.
I have to. It wouldn't be.
Bless them up. All right, now Warrior said, man, everything is everything. You don't know, say I'm a linky if you like that. Seeing? Proper respect. People, Carly, the dancehall queen in the building, Slam representative, enough respect to Slam Condoms and sitting, seeing? Okay, we're going to the root. We can't talk to a caller. What we the last caller what we talked to yesterday? No, right? We can't hold our reasoning with her, auntie. Okay, yeah. Okay, bring her on it. I want to remind people of the topic, where we have finished the week, with people who are take them friend, man and woman mix-up. People who are take them friend, man and woman. But any mix-up come in, you don't know it's a mix-up. So if you have a good mix-up, you just come in and give it the things. Say, hello? Hello? Oh, yes, caller. Yes, so you would have talked to yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we are talking about the local situation where you find yourself, and one, we appreciate you sharing it with us and so forth and things like that.
Yeah.
But one piece of argument I get in with people yesterday, man. I don't know if you hear me and Carlene talk about it. Did you hear me talk about it?
No.
Oh, you never? Oh, you sound so, what happened to you?
Huh?
Oh, you sound tired or like you're down or something, is what?
No, why?
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't want you tell me a lie, if
no more.
Yeah, all right. But we just want to remind people of a situation that you are a helper. You were a helper and you were working for a married couple, with 3 children and so forth. And you were, cut long story short, you noticed that she did a look for you way more time or whatever, and took you on a trip to what do I tell you again?
Huh?
What the hotel name again?
It's Holiday Inn.
Yeah, Holiday Inn, right? And she, your boss, and her 3 friends, and you said them give a proper sort out. The 4 of them give a sort out, and then after that, all kind of little drama go down, and Because you did leave and then our husband asked you to come back, but even know what going and when you come back, she take a set by you and want to sort you out all the time and all them something there.
Yeah.
And thing and you have to cut. And one time she put a 50 pack on the table and say love and money, something like so, 50 grand or whatever, and you just say, yo.
I'm not hearing it properly, yellow.
Yeah, like she does say, we don't see that kind of run through back the thing or she put on the money on the table and say, put the 50 pack on the table and say,
love our money.
Love our money, some drama this one, and you cut and things. So I guess, so where you are right now? You're not working for them anymore, right?
Yeah, I'm at the house right now.
You're at the house right now?
Yeah.
So straight up question, she still moved to you with them things, eh?
Yeah.
You and her still a sort out right now?
No.
But you still moved
to... I'm telling her I'm not going to work with her and do that.
Okay. And then of course she...
At the time, no. Well, she intuits him because last time she come to me, she typed something for her on the computer and I tell her I'm not going to do it.
She come to you for you go type something up on the computer for her?
Right. She always asks me to do it. But it's like sometimes...
For type what?
With me I type, huh?
For type what?
Just type something that you carry home from work.
Oh, okay. And you tell her say you're not do it. So why you tell her say you're not do it? You're not do that?
No, because normally, alright, she don't have no respect for her husband. Can normally, if she asks me to do it, sometimes she will like... Me dey run at the computer, sit down, she like come over me and she put her hand round like she had touched something on the computer. And I said, don't do that, don't get too bright.
Oh, so when she ask if you come type something on the computer, fear we that for bring you in the room now for it start make look a move to you, don't?
Right, so I tell her I'm not going to do it.
So up to last night she asked if you come type something on the computer.
Right.
So when was the last time you and her do anything?
Huh?
When was the last time you and her do anything? Last week?
Not last week.
Oh.
About a month ago.
About a month ago. Then tell me something. Given, the way she moved to you and the way she wrote to you with her friend and what she want from you. And you say you're not dead. So some people are listening and say,
but you know, say somebody who was there.
Who what?
Somebody popular who was show.
Somebody who hosts show?
Who hosts a show, just like your show.
Yeah, per radio?
Radio program, TV program.
Per radio or TV?
TV and radio.
The two of them, somebody, say one out of the four women, one out of the other three.
Yeah.
Did they there?
Yeah.
I do the things them too?
Yeah. Well, when we got there,
When you did there?
When me go down a holiday in fertility shows,
yeah.
If I'm a helper, I never really experienced not really in a good life. And if me I work with somebody and they tell me somebody carry me somewhere where me never go before.
See it there?
Me I go excited and go.
Okay.
Me never had a good city them a soccer me.
Right.
And I expect them I go cause. Well, I'm reaching there and everything. I enjoy myself, yes. But at the time when we went in the room, then I looked and said, them it's going to take place or whatever because it's just my boss.
Okay.
And it's like, them they in the room and them I do them thing. Them I talk, them I drink them wine. And the same person at the who show, she look over and she said, well, who is this pretty lady sit down here? But me a helper, so me not really talk up to them or whatever, but sit down by myself.
Uh-huh.
So at the same time now, my boss come over to me and she did and she playing on me here. So me say, about Jesus, how are this now?
Uh-huh.
And after that now, them did and it's like she playing on me here, but it's just my boss.
Right, so the reason you are saying is just my boss, and then when them carry down there, you never live no life, and you say it's just my boss. The point you are making is...
look to say it's nothing back at it.
In other words, you trust her, and you never look for say your boss are going to make them type of move upon you, right?
I mean, I look for you, so if she have her hand on me here, I gotta look for you as my boss.
Because if it was another woman, you'd have flashed out that hand a long time or something, right?
No, let's after it go on and go on, one of the other lady come over, and she sit down over the other side. So me say, what the hell is this? And one of the girls said to me, say, don't be shy. And so me I say, shy about what? And them go on and them go on and them go on with them. So me say, listen me, I never do this in my life, and me not think me would do it.
Right.
And them better and them rub me down and rub. Me a woman, me young, I'm pretty much young.
Right.
Right?
About how old are you? How old are you, if you don't mind me ask?
26.
26, okay.
Right, and I work with them from, call it up for me in my 20s. 20-year-old then.
From your 20? Yeah, I work with them. But born them time there. And about what age group them in now?
Ragas won't give you that exciting thing.
All right, go on, time.
Right, and after that now, and them come over, and them, the four of them, and them go on with them handshakes and who strip. All the lady who was, I never believed that lady is involved in such a thing.
What you say? No, what you say? What you say a while ago?
The lady who was sure.
Yeah.
I never believed she would involve in a such thing.
Okay. She brown or she dark?
She black.
She dark.
Right.
Go on, talk.
And them carry on. Well, let's carry on. Trust me.
No, when you say them a carry on, them did still a move to you, or them did a do things amongst themselves?
Them go on and...
No, well, no. When you say them a carry on, them did a move to you still, or them did a do things amongst themselves?
It's me. Them all over me.
So, Wallanda, what you seem to be saying to it is that the four of them, the whole thing they plan for the four of them come to you.
I don't know if it's a planting or is what, but
you just tell me, say, at that point, the four of them did all over you.
Right.
Gee, go on, talk.
And then after that now is like, after that she said, lady said to me, one of the girls said to me, if me never do it before, me can try it the first. Me say, me not really think never do it, because this is sin. And I'm not doing it.
Right.
And them keep carrying on, the boss now. The thing why I did do it, because maybe, sometimes I say maybe it's abuse, because she know me I work for her.
Yeah.
And I love my job.
Yeah.
So maybe if me don't do it, then she maybe fire me.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So me just open up to them.
That you did.
Right? I just open up to them. And it's like...
So, you can't get specific, but me just want to know, what them do? Them start kiss you or something?
Them do everything that you can think of, swiping everything.
All right, them swipe. What me really want to know is, and we have to be very careful here how we say this. Did hold on, stop. Somebody have radio near you. Okay.
No, the radio.
Okay, one thing I want to ask.
Yeah.
Did they go as far? And just be careful here, yeah, because with the parent. Did they go as far as? Did they strap on anything on their body?
Huh?
Did they strap on anything on their body, or they never do anything like that?
No, they never do anything like that.
Okay, we're just checking. I was told. So them do everything to you. So is all four of them do them things to you?
Yeah, it's not, well, like, come all over me, like, kiss on my body and whatever, but
yeah.
I know how them do whatever.
Hello? What that? Light gone where she is. No, light gone in here a while ago. Me know about whatever happened is here said happened and the UPS kick in. Am I on here right now? Okay, all right. It's what really happened a while ago. It's what really happened a while ago. And the light go away a while ago. What we are near now, though. Alright, we not come out. Hold on. But she cut off, though. Hold on. What, you see? And you know, I get her back. Ruth. Well, you get a dial tone or anything? Was it a cell number or a landline you're calling her? Huh? But what? Crisscross. Come here. If I laugh, I die. Eh? Okay, we're back now. Check. Hello?
Hello?
All right. Stay online here. Crisscross, stay online. Keep her online. Crisscross, play the music. Play some music there, quickly. Stay online there. Check. All right, Crisscross. Bong slow. Back to a caller now. Okay, caller, you there?
Yeah.
All right, you know. So, one of the things when I catch up in an argument with some people yesterday and thing is that them I run with the thing. Can we appreciate you being honest, you know? Because once them start doing the things to you, you're a human being, so you have feelings, so and you tell the truth, say it did feel good. But my argument is that is not the fact that it did feel good doesn't mean say them never manipulate you in a situation where you never want to be. And like you say, you're a helper, you never really live no life. And they seem to have known that, brought you to this hotel and thing, and then put you in a position where your boss, you know, put you in a position there and thing, you know. So what you done say to the people who are say, but you say you enjoy it. So what that mean?
Well, enjoy don't mean that I am a bisexual.
Okay.
I'm not.
You're not a bisexual?
No, I enjoy it because I'm human.
Right.
And maybe them are the things we turn their hand, so I'm never feel it.
Right.
Because I'm not an animal.
Right. You have some people can't understand that. Because some people, no, you see some woman are listening and say, once a woman touch them, they're going to be so disgusted that, you know, them would have never turned.
At first it did feel very disgusting. It did feel very disgusting because I had a woman that really touch you. It did feel disgusting.
At first?
Right. It did feel really disgusting.
Okay.
But what, when me, reason why I maybe continue to is maybe because I said I never want to lose my job.
Okay. But like you call now, you talk on radio now, you're not concerned, so you know, they might hear and you still lose your job?
They might hear. Well, I don't really care.
You know, so why you reach a point where you don't care? There's something going on there where you feel like so you did have to talk out this thing. What?
Because I tell her, say everybody soon know, and she says she don't care.
You tell her, say everybody soon know, and she don't care.
Yeah, she said she don't care. So I must tell anybody I want to tell. They let me in the other day when you come off of the here.
Yeah.
I always call if you get you know. Mm-hmm. But sometimes when I call, them put me on hold. Mm-hmm. And it does hold out so long we hang up. Why did you carry the paper and say, them really take him off of the here? I say, okay, lucky you. And when me hear, so them put your hand back when she come in the evening, I say, Raga, come on back, you know. And then she say, them really put that disgusting man on the here. I say, lucky you.
Your boss, if them really put back that disgusting man on here.
Yeah.
The same
style.
Uptown professional big shot boss.
Yeah.
Who carry you in a hotel, you are helper, And she and her 3 friends, them essentially, sexually harass you, rape you, basically put it that way there. The same boss, they say me disgusting and thing.
Yeah, them still put on this disgusting, man. Mr. Yes, them still put him on. Look, you.
And it's funny, but the talk show also, and you just tell me who the person is.
Yeah.
And she have reservations with me too, She talk up things about me too, In terms of what Raga do and you see what she are going with. And she's a married woman too.
Well, the 4 of them married.
The 4 of them married?
Yeah.
All 4 of them married?
Yeah.
Is there anything where you want to come out of this?
Oh, no. I just, sometimes when you're working with people and you really tell them about your life,
yeah,
it's maybe them use it to abuse you. Because working with this, I really tell a lot about myself.
Oh, your boss.
Right. But at the same time, maybe when me notice, when me just come and me lie me there in the kitchen and she keep on walking around and look at me. Sometimes I say, maybe too because me young, or maybe the way how me look and she say, but how she a help. And every time I go to work and people ask me, why you do domestic work and you look so good and you're so young? But I never have the education. My mother did when I was the age of 2. My father neglected me. I get pregnant at the age of 13.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So if me meet somebody and me around them from me young, me I go explain my life to them that no mean them to abuse me.
Right.
Right, me trust them. So like me see she continue do it, it'll go on to more than 2 years. Right?
For more than 2 years?
Yeah, more than 2 years continue going on. Right? She even carry me up and down. She go club, go buy the go-go them, and she carry them in. And she just have me all over the place.
No, what you mean she go club, go buy, go? What you mean?
She carry the go-go them and like them sleep over with her when her husband are here.
And then, but she make you involved in that too?
No, I don't involve in that.
Oh, okay.
Now, sometimes she will go out and carry her like 2 go-go and she and her next day, but I never involve.
Okay, but she not really involve you in that?
I tell her I'm not going to involve.
But has she ever done anything like that with you, apart from the hotel time, carry amongst other people or anything like that?
Yeah, she do it here. She do it at the house.
What she do? She carrying other people with with you earlier?
When she carry out the blackout lady.
Oh, when she carried the blackout lady, okay.
Right. She carried out that blackout lady at the time, but that lady was so disgusting.
Okay.
And then before that, she did carrying the same lady that I tell her, the host lady. She come back, and I had a lady. But at the time, she give me some money.
Who give you some money?
The host lady.
The host lady give you some money?
Right.
When she did give you money? When she did give you money?
That was in April.
Like, if you don't mind me, I ask, like, how much money, sir? How much money, sir, she give?
50,000.
She gave 50,000.
Yeah.
But tell me something. Yeah. You hear this host lady, like you said, you tell me who she is and so forth, right? And you hear her on radio, and you did think that she would have do them something?
No, that's why I said I never know she would have involved in such a thing. I never know she would have involved in such a thing.
But have you ever heard her on radio?
Yeah, sometimes.
And don't what you hear on radio is not the same person you did see. I do them things that you...
No, it's a different person.
So is a hypocrite and a liar then?
Yeah.
But what you feel about that now? Say this person at the on radio are going, so them way they and end up and do them things that to you. What you feel about that?
Well, at the time, like I said, that is fair conscience. Leave her to fair conscience, You have to leave her to fair conscience.
But she's a damn hypocrite. Based on the things and what she said and how she carry herself, don't it?
Yeah.
So you say you don't want anything out of this?
Oh, I'm good.
So are you going to continue working there?
Well, I don't want the man to put a shot in my head. So
you don't want the what?
The man put a shot in my head if him find out this. So I just have to hold it. It's not like I'm going to continue all of my life working with them.
Well, but let me ask you something. It's an interesting point you bring out. The fact that you just made that statement, do you think that man would be angry if him find out?
I don't really know if him see anything or what.
What? Your boss, don't careful now. What kind of work your boss do? What kind of work your boss do?
Well, I really want to go down at them. Too much details that.
All right, then. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. Are you sure you don't want anything out of this? You want to leave it this or right this?
Well, like I said, I have to leave it.
Okay, then the last question I ask you then is this. So why you tell with him? Yeah? Why you tell me? Why you did have this thing for get it off of your chest and tell me?
Well, maybe, maybe I would have see somebody face to face and say it to them because maybe say it to somebody, maybe them go, or maybe call him on the ear, maybe who do it, them maybe figure out and hear it. Right, but like I never really say it to anybody. But after I leave a lot of time and them call me back. But last time I leave it was last week Monday. And her husband came back asked me if I'm not coming to work. So keep on coming back and she will still continue to try it. Right? But I'm just clear it off of my mind or clear it off of my head.
Do you hope that if she hear this she will stop trying? She will stop trying to get that from you?
Is I want she hear it too.
Well, I'm going to make them read the news and just the last thing I want to talk about because the important thing now is that now that it's out there, and it's 4 powerful women involved who are all married to relatively powerful men. And remember, you just look at help, and think. Your safety now. Now that you put it out there and think. Your safety, because them will do things. If them that hypocritical and think for a bouncy thing that way there and move to them way there, them will do other things. So we're going to read the news and make the news read and come back because you may have to go leave that place there. We're soon forward. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our something and thing, and like, it's a mix-up show, But sometimes the mix-up then can get quite serious. Yeah, sometimes the mix-up them are not joke thing. And Carla.
Hello.
You think
Hello.
Yeah, man, you hear me?
Yeah.
You think it's a good idea for you continue working at that place?
Why not?
You don't think that just with regards to your safety, you feel secure?
Well, I'm going to tell you, maybe I'm helpful, but I'm not that stupid. You see, if someone do me right now?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I say it to close family to me, right?
Yeah.
And I write a good list of name.
Yeah.
Right? And I write every information on it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know that can happen. Yeah, I know them can just do off with me. Just for me, just a minute talk.
Right.
Right? But them really afraid, if them do it, well, them will go down.
All right, not say not no more. So, in other words, you put certain things in place to protect yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she know that, She know that. So, if me will leave from here, so she know which part me live. Because she come at my house.
Oh.
She know where me live.
So, but what you think when you tell her, say, you have to bust it out and talk it out?
No, she said she don't care.
And say she not care?
She said she don't care. Because her body just eat it for woman.
If I may share something with you, you have a set of women who are lesbians and they're quite, what bossy people refer to as, some of them are quite predatory in terms of like them prey upon other, young girls who are in positions where them can't really help themselves and so forth and things.
Yeah.
I know me not understand when them. You see them woman, them walk around every day and them cuss the man them who do them something there. And them call it the patriarchy, the insidious patriarchy, sexism, and the exploitation of women. These same women, you know, and them do the same thing. You did have one of the university students come tell me, you know, don't mean our class every day. This is a lecturer. Every day she talk about, oh, I'm this terrible person and whatever, and what it means for the, you know, bringing down women and all this stuff. When I do on my shoe and all them something there. And the same student them want tell me, and I say, but sir, she look way every day and in our skin every day. You understand me? I say, so what you are go through me, I say, is that there's a hypocrisy out there that needs to be exposed with regards to many of these women who claim, say, they're for female empowerment when behind closed doors they might do certain things and them know people who do certain things and them not talk out against them things at all.
You see, where them here, where the poor people them are do. You see, if maybe it was somebody poor I do it, you wouldn't really so bad, you know. But sometimes I me hear them behave and them can't carry on. And if you see them on the road, they not boasty and them you cannot find. Them is so boasty. Show off. Mm-hmm. You wouldn't expect them to do them thing here. You'd expect somebody poor and the way how them carry on, how outrageous. You would not expect it from them.
Are they the type of people who carry, when them outside on the road, them carry themselves like they have achieved and they're in a much better place now?
Like, you know, them are either the prime minister. Yeah. That's the way them behave.
Them act like they're accomplished and they have it together and them are decent people.
Yeah.
Decent people, but all four of them can plot for carry a helper who have little means and whatever and manipulate you and carry another place and essentially throw themselves on you and do all them things to you. Yeah. Because all the horse where you talk about right now, she said quite a few things about me, you know, how awful me is, you know, and watch there. And watch there. But let me tell you something. You see, anytime, if any heat or any pressure move to you, me I give you a link.
Yeah.
And you make sure so you reach me anytime.
Yeah.
And me not hide and talk. Me will step up and just like how them know people, we know people too. Right? And just like how them have link for the Fenwa, we have link for the Fenwa too. You understand? And nobody make... And any day you feel like say you need to leave that situation, that your safety in jeopardy and thing, whatever, you just call a link and whatever, you understand? Don't do anything stupid now, you know.
No, man.
Don't do anything stupid. Don't make them dry you out at any point.
No, I do, man. I don't do nothing.
Because next thing you go hear them say this and that about you. I know you did involve in a this and that, and which area you come from, and who you did have this and that with gun, and all kind, because some of them things are going on.
Yeah.
But me hear what you say. You have a wallet.
Yeah, man.
And you have taken steps to ensure that you are protected.
Everything all right, man. If them take no step or whatever, and I'm not sure if she ever really listen still. Or maybe who the host, maybe she the one, maybe she...
The host we hear.
Yeah.
Let me tell you how the host are going to hear, even if the host not listen. Somebody are going to say, you know, here I go and Raga and whatever this and that. Yeah. And that's how the host are going to hear.
Yeah.
And I want to nastiness ever come looking at my face and say anything again.
They had a tree now, not really sit down and listen.
Yeah, they're not for them thing now.
No, they're not going to listen.
But the other three bossy people to big shot people, big shot woman, no.
Well, two of them are not really where me really know, but me know so them married. Because them come them they have things at the house and them come with them husband, but me not really know them like that, but me know say it's married woman them.
Married with Pitney and them something?
Yeah.
Alright, now see a word here.
Yeah.
You know, so the link there and whatever and so forth, and we're going to make you know certain things here.
Yeah.
I make you know certain things after the and thing, you see?
Okay.
All right, so let's go on, wallet. That's strength we say, yeah?
Yeah, all right, thank you.
Just you don't think you think you need to speak to anybody like a counselor or anything like that?
No, I get counsel different, you know. I'm go down what's the name? New Kingston over the what the place name? Women's Crisis.
The Women's Crisis Foundation.
Huh?
Which one? The one up on
the... like the new Kingston, so you pass...
Trafalgar Road? Trafalgar Road. The one where they're near to YMCA?
I wouldn't sell ice cream. Devano's.
Near Devano's. Near Devano's.
Yeah, near Devano's.
No, man. No, man. Other one. You see, that's the one that we have donated some funds to because them always help young ladies who unfortunately get pregnant too early and so forth. You know, the girl them have the black skirts and white blouse and so forth, where we say we must show love and it. It's the same place, man. So you go up there and you talk to them?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. And you tell them everything?
Yeah.
Okay, all right then.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we talk to you one way and thing, all right?
Okay,
but blessings and respect and thing, and you just stay strong, here?
Yeah, all right.
We'll be in touch.
Okay.
Yo, I couldn't. I used to see one of them people, I'm not lying, for real, you know. And I tell you, it's just another woman, I tell you people, you hear me, I drop my word from what day. You have some people, you know, who claim, say them I watch media, and I use them two words deliberately, so I don't know what I talk about them, I watch media. And they've been in touch with the Broadcasting Commission, you know, man. For a long while now, you know. They've been in touch with key, powerful people, you know. I go Calabash, I see some of them will come, and when I tell you, then look for me, if looks good, killing them with that dead right there, so, you know. That's why I live good with people, you know. Because I live good with people. People make me know what going on, you know. So, Raga, watch your back. Ray. Raga, watch your back. So-and-so, I meet with so-and-so from the Broadcasting Commission and your name call up. And this and that. But the point me I make is that them people, them position themselves like them, I do this to save the children and to save the nation. And the old nastiness them there, I do them things the same way. And I exploit people. And I'm ready for come talk about me. I exploit culture and whatever. And them I go on with the things them. Because you know, say this girl, you know, as a helper and whatever, you know, don't not have the means with them have and whatever. That's why them can manipulate and do and so. And if you hear she repeatedly, I say, I'm a boss. I'm a boss, man. I work with her for years. I never expect it. You hear the girl say, you know, man, I don't really live no life. So when them tell me, say, no, I can't go holiday in and Ray. But just go, you know. I just say when them start move to and shot, tell them no and whatever, you know. John knows that. I tell us enough of them can't chat to me. But half them file, we know them business. Another host they alone too. Yeah, I one of them too and whatever. Me, I will have break. To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Boy, if you listen to that girl, boy, she sounds so simple, so humble, yet still very smart.
Mm-hmm.
And first of all, do you have a contact number for your Raga?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
All right. And you're going to give her a contact?
Yes, I will.
Is there any way that you could help her to get a job at a different place?
Don't worry about that yet.
Why I ask because of the information that was put out there, people are powerful. But I'm glad you make it clear that you know who one of the major players is.
That's right.
I'm glad about that.
That's right.
I'm glad about that. And you see, Raga, when we speak...
I say, if anything happens to her, I'm going to chat up for her.
Look at Raga.
Oh.
When we look at all this country and the hypocrisy that we see happen in this country...
I'm if we tell you...
No, Raga, me out there, and me here, man, blood fire you. And them say all kind of things about you. And me personal at time... defend you, and then call me all kind of name because what? Me I defend you because me I say what? The man have a right to talk of the things them because what? No foul no one hear the things where the man talk because what? No know the type of life I want to live.
See that?
Would anybody believe that this horse would be living this type of life?
Me I tell you, if you hear who you're that shocked. You're that shocked. Me I ask you.
Brother, nothing shocked me these days. Nothing shocked me, Raga. Nothing shocked me. But you know, the one thing I'm glad about, she not break down and she's strong. Because you see, sometimes you're forced to do things, you know, and she's respectful because she continues to say, "Is our boss." She's respectful, and me like that how she humble. Me like how she deal with it. Me like how she deal with it, and me like how you deal with it too, you know. Because you know, try to say, well, put her under no pressure.
Right.
It is important, Raga, that people know exactly what is happening out there, because a lot of us, we come and we chat some big things and nobody like us, yet still we are living a double and a triple life.
See that?
I clearly rape that and harassment, Raga. I clearly rape and harassment, and I hear you. Definitely I say she want to go any further, and she still respect the lady as her boss, and she don't want to carry it nowhere. I like her humbleness, Raga. I really like her humbleness. I mean, like how you deal with it. I want you to keep in touch with her, right?
All right.
Constantly. I want to give her the opportunity to call you every time to make you know exactly. And if you don't hear her, call her.
All right, Papa. Right? That's our word.
We need to know this.
All right.
Crackers in this country, Raga.
Blessings.
They're not going to like you. They're not going to like you. They will never like you.
And I don't give a damn, because me no want to like them either. Them not like me and me no like them.
They will never like you. Oh. They will never like you.
I saw a thing set me king. But you are a fool in our eyes opening, so I'm run up the mountain and go and like them decent and them better off than people when I look upon them.
I would not hear this. This couldn't be said and no other show, because they wouldn't cut her off. Bam. You see me?
See it there?
If the user has made the right decision, bringing your show and his station, he has made the right decision.
All right, Papa.
Take care, boss. We talk again.
Protection.
Yeah.
Yep, to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Well, go on, brother.
Today I'm a king of wallet, you know.
Well, I was listening to your program from yesterday. I'm a regular listener. I think I called the show about 3 times. No, this is the 4th time, right?
Right.
Yes. I was listening to your program yesterday, and the same lady that called, she was talking to you earlier. Based on what she's saying, she's talking the truth, and absolutely truth. The employer, I know her. I won't say anything about her that should discriminate or give any full detail about her, but she's of that type.
Well on. You know who her employer is?
Of course I know.
Okay, so you're saying it's the truth, and that's what she's there?
Yes, she talking the truth. The employee talking the truth.
No, you see, I don't, this is where people and I will differ. I have no problem with the employer being a lesbian, and if she wants to be a lesbian, it's for her business, that,
Yes.
But when, it's how she's conducting herself with her employee, the helper, and the obvious exploitation and the sexual, depravity involved, is a whole different issue.
Yes, because what you can, from what the employee is saying, you can see she cannot manage, so she's using abundance over her. You understand what I'm saying here, Rana? She's using her abundance over her, because she can, flourish her with $50,000 or $100,000. Then she have to do what she command her to do. You get what I'm saying?
You see it. I use them money and empower, man.
Yeah. But if it was me, I don't care what it would take. If it cost my life, I would leave, and I would establish her. Trust me.
Why, you'd expose her?
Of course, I would expose her. Trust me. She needs to be exposed, because if the employee leave and somebody else go there, she's going to do the same thing to the other employee.
Well, you say if I saw them stay, I saw them stay.
Right, if I saw them stay, I saw them stay. If you not got in.
But if the thing got exactly how the helper say it go, the caller say it go, then you can't imagine the 4 of them must just sit there, 4 grown women, married, them have them husbands. I know they must just sit down and say them a go after the helper,
Yeah.
Because she was obviously the target,
Yeah.
And for yourself to be a target, I know them did have one show come out one time,
Yeah.
Forgot what name. I don't know if you see Jermaine or Chris Grassaru. But rich people, you know, them have somebody go find poor people and then bring them from this place. And the poor people, them have to run and try. And the rich people hunt them down and shoot them. And them have a one. It's like a game.
I have a CD of it right now.
You have a CD of the show?
Right now.
But the people, them are getting, they have to be the poor. Them have to be poor people who need money.
Yes.
Who need money and them something there. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And then go find them and then put them and then tell them run. And then the rich people hunt them down with them big gun and them this and that and whatever. It's something like that I go on. Because clearly, I don't need to tell anybody that they couldn't target a person of means that way there and bring them in another position there. You understand?
Yes, sir.
But these are the same people, like this talk show was, she get from my case. I'm not doing anything uplifting.
Yes.
Yeah? I'm not doing anything uplifting.
I was at a particular place one time. And she take up all her time it was on your name.
Ooh, this are the boss.
The boss.
Yeah.
All her time is what was on your name. You understand? Because I was living in Kingston, but now I'm in Clarendon. To be honest, I am in Clarendon.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
I went to a forum in Kingston. I saw the boss, and her time was well spent on your name.
And for my name, and they for my case, no?
Exactly. And it was a little bit before you come off a news talk, too.
Right.
Yes.
All right. Now say a word, man. But I'm not hiding and talking, you know. You see them people, you know?
Yes.
Me not put nothing past them. So me I watch my back too.
Let me tell you something.
Because them have them money and them have them links and them have them contacts too. Me not put nothing past them. So me I watch my back there too. Me I pray them to, just as how them I pray me I pray them to a Jamaica there. And me say nothing reach enough people. And when me see the reports in the paper, me laugh all the while. Because me know say I know how it go. Out the road with there, we keep our ears to the ground. And we know say people have them money and them do them things. So them I pray me I pray them too. Me not put nothing past them.
Exactly, Raga, girl, or a boy, now put on the pot. Just tell him in the
me say me not put nothing past them. So them move to me quietly, screech upon me and try get and pay them money for get this and that done. Me not put nothing past them. Because just as how them can't have the gall for be so hypocritical and out there in front of give speeches. Because some of them give motivational speeches, you know. And them get them honor and them this and that. And then them talk the right things, man. And them done people like me. And they can be involved in so many things behind closed door. Them do other things to just like coming on other people do the same thing and done people behind them back. Me.
You see the boss on road, Raga, you know she think of things like those.
If the way the boss roll down.
The way she roll, you know she think of
you'd never know.
You will never know. You understand?
Hear me. Let's say nothing here. I don't even know where we are going to run. They move to Mandingo. Wicked, me I tell you. You understand? And when they couldn't get them here, they said them write big article on internet, on website about it, you know. Then me get our next work with our next beverage company, me not talk Then move to that one, the wicked with another media house, you know. And them tell the beverage company, say, them nah do nothing if me in it. And one of the person involved in a for them group too. She a do the things them too. If you hear how she talk out there, but uplift Jamaica, whatever this and that, wait. And me say that's why I always live good with people, you know. Because when she go to the beverage company, I tell him, say, no, he's this and he's that and whatever, boom, bam. 2 twos me get the call and the link and talk about the meeting. Bam, them let me go talk to somebody else. Somebody else who, you know, who without going at the humble circumstances who work on her. Welcome back to the show. The most of people them love to eat. I will now look upon them. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Greetings.
Yeah, me know say that woman there was a guest a long time. Because this when me say she married, I couldn't believe. So don't worry yourself.
What you know how?
Me know a long time.
All right, then leave it alone. When you hear say she married, you never pay it no mind.
Me couldn't believe.
Okay, because what you say, you know she fear juggling that from a long hour.
Long time. She just take that to her. But you say back up.
I want to say a word, man.
All right, but guess what I want to talk about seriously now?
Yeah.
You see, when the children them are travel upon the bus, what do you...
Upon the radio.
Sorry.
You can't say that word.
Sorry. Right?
No.
Eh?
No, hold on. Stop there. Jermaine, that is okay. No, Jermaine? Oh, it gone. All right. No, you can't say that. You say a man was on the bus touching up your little child's bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else?
And when he look at him, he turn his head through the window, and then he did it again, and then he look at him, and him turn his head again, and him tell.
So each time the man a do it, your little boy look upon him, and the man turn him head out of the window.
Yeah.
And then him do it again, and the little boy look upon him as if he say, "What you do?" And him turn him head out of the window.
Yeah. And him tell the doctor. When him tell the doctor start on him case. And then the driver here and then them start on him case. And then a little bit after that, the doctor move him and put my son and put him between a lady and him. Right? A lady and the doctor.
Yeah.
And then the man come off out of Reggae Park. Right?
Are you sure what your son said that did happen?
No.
Like you're sure your son never misunderstand anything or whatever, anything? Your son know...
Raga and brilliant.
Okay.
Boy. He always travel on the bus by himself. But guess what? You see that same day? It's like I feel it. I go to school for him, you know. I go to them classmates, them say I'm gone already.
Yeah.
But him they gone in a super shopper's fair with him friend and him friend mother.
Okay,
right?
okay.
So, me take a bus and come over fast to catch him. When me come over, I didn't see him at the bus stop when I'm supposed to wait on me. So, I was out there waiting, right? And then, when him come now, I go up on the bus and go with him at Portmore Mall. I'm go with him at Portmore Mall. He never tell me. And when I come back and reach home, he tell me because I born and grew up in Reggae Park, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And if he just tell me, then I just take the bus and come off with him and walk fast and try to find out who do it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Because I see that you always say they keep themselves to themselves and to big people. Not to be little pitney them, that's all.
Right.
So not that they have to stick to them big people and let's look at pitney them, man. I just want the people them who travel on the bus and see the children them more time. Just
but now you as a mother now, say your son go through that now. Then every day you're pitting to go a road, you know, I fret to walk up at between me and bus and all them something. I walk up between me and them go walk somewhere lonely and some man I go drive me or something like that.
No, him not really walk lonely. He walk with him classmate them and them take the bus, but them come off before him.
But what you tell him as a parent, what you tell your son now for increase his safety? What you
From him I grow, I teach him, man. From him I grow.
Like what? What somebody think?
I have something with him, you know. I give him something for walk with, you know. And he said when the man touch him the first time, him go in and bag and take it out. But the man not see it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Because in them time, you have to teach him, you have to open up them eyes.
Okay.
And about 7 men teach him, you know.
Seeing.
That's why when people touch him certain way, him know.
Him know?
Yeah, him know say wrong.
Him know say something wrong. That's why I look on the man and like him and say, where are you?
Exactly. A peer brother him having them now and sister.
See it there?
Right? So I teach all of them.
Hey, you know it's a crazy thing I go and I bust them out.
Yeah.
I'll find a little girl them to it, I reach them too, you see?
Yeah, but when I take bus with him more time, I talk to the doctor them and show them him also.
Yeah.
I make them look out for him.
All right, now say nothing here.
Yeah, man.
Man has a respect.
Raga, I know your feelings, you know, because I'm born the 3 days after your birthday and my birthday.
All right.
You see, I'm open-minded just like you. So when they talk, I just know exactly how you stay.
Cool, man. I bless you.
You don't like me, I don't like you.
See it there. And we don't care.
But they want to come on your bashing, but guess what? I'm going to my sister's birthday. So
everything jiggy, man. Everything jiggy, man.
But hopefully next year if I live.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Bless her. Protect you. Yeah. As I mix up, so 3:45 at the time, I know, in Jamaica. Big up to all our listeners, them abroad, who are listening to the show and think. Nothing listeners over England, them crazy listeners in Great Britain and thing. And listen and think. We have all kind of economic drama reaching over there, no, and sitting and thing. Big up our listeners, them. Sean from who's in the United States military and who was stationed in Japan for 3 years and listened to the show, is now in Korea and still listening and sends greetings and things. And say big up all our relatives, them from Antigua Bay and things. So large up yourself. Sean is a woman, she named Sean. You know, she just happened to have that unisex name, Sean. Large up yourself, a wallet strong and thing. You see? To the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon, Raga Wagwan.
There, I'm a kid.
Why you be up and a whole till I start cut roll, so you soon start hear nice in the background. Yo, my link look like a dash, I must be a link them. Oh, yeah, move so.
No, man, no, you first.
Dash, man, keep party at home and no party at beer.
No, yeah. Hey, we're supposed to have a try put a broadcast up there, you know, like probably next week or so, you know. On a Friday, but about the 29th. When I know it, we are serious. We work on something here. All right, Papa.
So what may I say, I know, with the thing with the girl, enough of them things they are going up there in Raga. Them put them thing in the paper, Sunday paper, them say them want somebody from country. Come know a girl run in, and the doctor man have 3 little boy up there, about 18, and some of them are 16. I don't know him get them, because the girl tell me the whole met.
Yeah.
And she says, when she come in there, the doctor man talks about boy, all she do is just keep the place clean and thing, and she get her $4,000 a week.
Yeah.
But in case some money come put on 130 pack come gear, and she's like, is what it's for? Is what it's for? And she say, but me no deserve no 30 pack. Me no work for no 30 pack. So she said she just put on the money on the table and left it. He saying at the night now, him and the next be the talk, and she can't even sleep at night. The next be the tell her the mate what they go and say if she went just take that. Them just hold her down in the night and film kicks in to make the little boy them go and start out first.
Oh, who I tell her that?
I did that at the next girl when did it, where she could go see. Because she could have, and say she a work, you know. The next girl where she could go see now, in the night they tell her the run-ins.
I tell her, I say, any she go take the 30,000. Why would that happen?
Not just make the other boy them go and start her out. Because so him get him kicks.
So wait.
When the boy them start her out now and him up then now him run them and him rope in.
Oh, so but the boy them are him son them?
No, him employ them same way one of them I need driver. He's a doctor man, you know. Yeah, only him and them live at the house because we have his wife, you know, and he run with his wife. Till he all breed one eye girl and the girl still live there. So he call her one day girlfriend.
So what you say, him that make the other boy them start to out and him sit down and watch her so he get film freaky thing then go.
Right. And when time him to come now, if them no want him make the boy them hold down her.
Alright, careful, not too much details here.
I don't think that really they go on with for you, man.
So hold on. And them did do that to the first girl.
Yeah, them do that to the first girl.
Oh.
This is when I know she left. She left within a week. She just leave. Because she did tell me, say, boy, not even pay me no get. Because I'm here she come from, you know.
Oh, so any you see the touch a 30 pack, they eat that.
30 pack, man, I done, man.
So give it that she never touch it now, what did happen after now?
Come back.
So since she never touch the money now, what did happen after to her?
What she do is like, she say the man, the pressure her, the man call her one away in her office and they talk to her and they tell her, say, boy, him like her and whatever. And if him can do the things them to her and them something there. And she said, no, I come here for a job. A job I come here for, I not come here for do them something. I'm a boyfriend and thingy. You understand?
Come here for drink milk, you know, come here for turn cow.
Pressure and I tell her, I say, yo, you can't get this and get that, you know. So I want to look a piece of pop down phone him. I say, yo, you can't get a Razor, you can't get an iPhone, you know. An iPhone or you can't get a BlackBerry.
Yeah.
And them thing there, but she they say, no, I think and she they say when I think it kind of way look good one way, but too much of them did the way I mix up with any disease can pass from any part.
Oh,
so
okay.
It's like a house of them he have, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's like a house of them he have, man, and all 3 vehicles he have, you know. And then the funny thing about it, him not buy to man can work all the boy, them a girl say, you know. The next girl I tell
so him
walk all the boy them to when he ready.
All right, not going on a detail, but him is a bisexual.
Yeah.
So him a pan a machete in cut two sides.
So him put film ads in the paper them on Sunday. You know them big paper them on Sunday.
So the way the thing work is them put the ads out and say them want somebody from the country or something.
As a helper.
As a helper or something. So basically when people answer them ads, you know they need to be very careful who them are go amongst them.
No, you know, I have to check out the thing, right? I have to check out the thing.
Okay.
I have to check out the thing. Yo.
Whoa.
Still, you know why we left for out and me a big up Tasha Boo on the wall. You know, I'm a woman that fan wall.
Oh, Tasha Boo.
Yes, man.
All right, Papa. Let's see how all right, Papa.
I tell him, so no, wait till the king come down. Me's not the king, me more like the prince.
That's our word, man. Manners and respect here.
Yeah, look a bit.
All right, protection. Yeah, I don't know if I see him on him attacking, but yeah, one doctor, boy. I know it's funny. A whole heap of people know about that house there, you know. And a whole heap of people know the doctor because he's a very well-known public figure. The people know, but I won't say both people alone know. A whole heap of ghetto people know who he is. Chief, everything good, man. We are hold it bossy. I be myself. No, man. Bossy, we are hold it. We not cross the line or enough across. Here, bossy, as we behave ourselves. Okay, you know. We will talk up and we free up, you know, but we know. We're not, no, man. We're not saying nothing. We're not calling name or nothing, bossy. Everything good, you know. I get a look over the glass, you know, mad. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon.
Yes. Greetings.
Raga.
Whoa.
You realize, we start off. The movie, Van Damme started the movie.
Yes. The movie where them hunt the people, man. Yeah.
Van Damme started.
Yeah, remember that.
Was the second person. The person was who get killed was his friend from Vietnam.
Yeah. And one time they send one big thick black man, yeah, you remember that part there, and then hunt, rich people hunt him down.
And kill him.
Yeah, hold on. You watch a movie, this is a crazy movie though, so we don't want people to go watch it. It's a popular series, it named Saw. You watch on?
Which one?
Saw.
Yeah, man, Saw.
Yeah, man, but you see Saw, the same principle, you know, the rich people and pay for these services for have, the poor people them upon them game preserve and then kill them and just exploit them and things like that.
That is true.
Yeah. So what you saying?
We understand this is one thing about you.
Yeah.
But everybody understand. You're like cash plus. You're not for the money, but you're for the people. You're for the ghetto people.
Well, Jamaica.
Yeah, that is so true. But they must understand, say, you're not a fool. You're a well-educated man. You're a doctor. Right? And they must understand that you are here for a purpose. You're not here to exploit people on a whole, but you're here to talk the truth.
See it there.
And the truth is what sets people free.
See it there.
And we need somebody like you within the system that can teach us what to do and how to say things.
Bongsanix, Carla, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon to you.
I'm just calling because I can.
All right. Somebody have a radio near your door here. Hello?
What are you saying, Raga?
We hear a radio near you.
I don't have no radio.
Sweetheart, I'm not asking. We're hearing a radio in the background. Whether you have it on or not.
Does she have on a radio?
Yeah, we hear this up, man. Everybody I hear it, you know. And you hold up the show, you know.
No, I'm not on a radio, serious.
But me tell you, say the whole of we I hear it, you know. Everybody I hear it. Anton, girl, what you say, baby?
I am here, Raga.
You are dead here. Okay.
Tandere.
So we're going over. Tanta, Antigua, you call from my area, Jamaica, you know.
I'm not tell you.
Oh, no, man, Antigua, you call from.
I'm not tell you.
But you know, so if you cross this girl and think your voice sound decent, your voice sound cute, you know, your voice sound.
Because I feed and popcorn.
A week. So, you know, Antigua mix up the figure.
No, Raga.
Because you know people business.
I have the mix up.
No, Tanta, you know people business, you know. You know people business.
I don't know nobody business, Raga. Nobody not tell me them business. Them say my mouth like.
Them out, because you too, So why?
Otherwise, my girl live next door. She beg and borrow everything from me.
She beg
everything, aisle, every single thing.
So she ever give back?
Give back what?
She not give back nothing.
I go home all one day and see my aisle back empty. I say, but hold on, what is the girl come and take me, just take my aisle. Take it from my sister and gone.
That don't even sound too good, you know.
Not for real.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, you have
but
this girl. You have this girl, you have this girl, you take your aisle and thing for next.
Butter me for my popcorn. I not throw aisle for it.
Murder. Which butter use? The butter where we use out here, the gold seal butter.
Why?
You know, yeah, why you go Antigua and remember that butter there? You don't know, you don't know what we call cooking butter with a stick. What the two stick coming out the yellow box?
Suppose me don't cook, I'm know about butter.
Oh, yeah, one of them girl wanna cook.
No, just shop, straight shop.
Oh, what?
Straight shop, I feed from popcorn in the night.
Okay. So, wait, no. So, all that thing they said, the other one in that picture anymore.
Anyways, Raga, me can big up somebody from the wall.
No, me ask before you do that. The other one in that picture anymore.
Which other one?
The one.
I mean, say balance the thing. One up here and one down there. What you want to know?
If I
balance, I'm up here for balance.
Okay. I'm sure, you know, knowing you balance really, you know, because whatever position you're in, going to require some balancing. Anyway, since you're calling from Antigua, it's not almost a Tantigua, you know. But that could be a new name for Antigua, Tantigua. Anyway, since you're calling from Safari, we're going to allow you to, you know, make a little small, big up auntie, you know.
More for big up copy on the wall. Her new name a copy. She changed her name for Pretty Smile Nikki, but her new name a copy. She's a royal and knee cup.
I'm well, shut up.
Well, big up Karen, Terry, and please, oh my God, my feel for Jai. Raga, we need an intervention for Jai. Please, my beg you one day just for Jai alone.
We need for help, Jai, right?
She need help.
All right, we'll see it. Go here.
Okay, Raga.
All right, baby. Thank you for calling for so far in Antigua. That was Tantan. All right, blessings here. Anyway, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Whoa.
Listen, I listen to your show every day, and I had to call this evening and ask you. Them ladies that were the girl that was talking about her boss.
Yeah.
Enough for them boasting language. Them a drink insane cat urine.
Insane cat urine.
Hey, them a drink.
No, they, you know, I'm sure if you talk to them, them go explain themselves where they said they did nothing wrong.
Okay.
No, me I tell you, any of you chat to them are going to give you some talk where say, listen, we did nothing wrong.
I had to ask you because me never believe for them something they anything can really go, so trust me.
And I want to tell you, in my best guess, and people can disagree with me, it is not something rare. It is not something like totally unusual. In other words, you have a whole heap of people out there who project themselves in a certain way, present themselves in a certain way, and even interestingly, them done some people about what them not do and how them not uplifting and know what them do for the country and whatever, and it's not positive. And behind closed doors, them are rape of people in many ways, whether through money, whether through exploitation, whether through sex, whether through work or whatever. You understand? Them out them on.
Well, it's a good thing I listen to your show.
Them out there. them out. But you see how the talk show was, I'm telling you, she one of them have all kind of problem with me. She one of them have all kind of problem with me. You understand?
Yeah, I still go and listen to you because I suspect me will learn a whole heap more.
No say a word here.
All right, later, cuz.
And a while ago, I said talk show was, I should just say presenter. Media presenter. That's what I should have said. Media presenter. Leave it like that or whatever. I tell Bossy say when I call her name, so everything. And most people seem to know is who. That is the interesting thing. Because the people have more rings to me. it's funny, you know, sometimes them things come up and some people say, I don't believe that. And then when it busts out, it's like so many people know it's one. I'm like, ragga, boom, 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 I start hearing the things. Because I get 2 names already, where I none of them people. Right? I get 2 names. But in terms of all of the links them where reach me, everybody else right spot, right on the thing, them know is who. Them know exactly is who. I'm serious, you know, Jeremy. I get 2 names, right? Or that 3 responses, then come up with 2 names, you know, in reference to the caller. And it's not them 2 people. But all the other one, and I will eat more, I get everybody zeroing upon that person, then boom. Jamaica small, you know. Jamaica small. And it's because Jamaica so small, and because media is so exposing now, it's harder for hypocrites hide now, you know. It's harder for hypocrites hide right now. Too much, yeah man, too much phone there everywhere now. Video phone there everywhere, picture phone there everywhere, talk phone there, everything the technology out there. Give me a next call. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yes, good evening. I was just calling about what you say about the girl yesterday when she said that she got into the bathroom, okay?
Yeah.
And she saw the thing on the table. However, she turned around and she said, what is it? I was saying from that time she should pick up that something is wrong with that lady. That is my opinion, and I was thinking about that.
No, but, okay, but hold on now. Let me ask you something like this now. In this day and age, if you see, you know, an object like that ladies use to pleasure themselves.
Yeah.
And you are work there as an helper. I'm going to put it another way. A lot of helpers see a whole heap of thing, you know, around them employers. And sometimes that can indicate that the employers in a something serious, or it can indicate that all them do is just use that little thing there alone and that's it.
That's not true, yeah.
You understand? In other words, when I say some people use them thing there and them look a private life and there's nothing else, you know, them not abuse nobody, them not set up nobody or anything. In fact, a lot of ladies use those things and them not out there exploit people and do them something.
Yeah, true.
You understand?
But me I say true, if I'm here work there and me come and me see something, and then she have to come and tell me about say she want to carry me, go out, hotel like that. Mm-hmm. Sorry, but me
no, but hold on. You see, what me I say, it's easy for you to say that now because we are look back on the thing with 2020. But it's when you work with somebody for 5-6 years, and everything just is almost. You ever hear some people explain some things like what going on in them relationship, and you say, then them not see that and them not understand the difference in your mindset when you're there with somebody for a long time. You understand? When you're there with somebody for a long time, it's like you're more likely for put up with certain things and you're more tolerant of certain things and whatever because it's almost like you have so much invested in that relationship there, you know? That any little thing now going to just come up and make you dash with a relationship there. So you understand? Yeah. As opposed to if you just meet somebody now and you start see them things there now and whatever, right away you say, no, I'm not in this. Me no wonder, you understand what I say? It's somebody sit there around for many, many years. And a very important point where you must know, you know. I wouldn't want to get too much into this. And sometimes people misunderstand people who live in abusive situation. You remember when she said, it look like when you... She said something like, it look like when you share your life with people or whatever, them abuse.
Yeah, that is it. Because she said about her mother dead from 2.
All right then. You see this now?
Yeah. So what? She used the woman as her mother life.
Exactly. What she's saying is that this is a woman to whom I've opened up. This is a woman who have shared all my scars and pains. This is a woman who have exposed all my weaknesses to her. This is a woman who knows all these things about me, and the woman who I trust.
Really expect that.
Right, and perhaps when she was opening up to the woman, whatever, the woman was probably, the boss probably respond to her way if he said, listen, I care and I understand and I'm here for you and so forth. So a bond has been established between herself and the boss, you understand?
Yeah.
So, you see, when that bond has been established now, when the boss come in some foolishness or whatever, it's kind of hard for she just cut her leg or so, you understand?
Yes.
You know, so yeah, go on, sorry.
And then the job thing too.
And the job thing too.
She could just get another job and just forget about those people because eventually something is going to reach her.
You feel so?
That is what we don't want.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's true because if she was calling her because she said yesterday the lady was calling her back and asked her why she don't come and she said that something another. I don't remember.
No, she said the lady she left and the lady called her back for come back to work and she never did go back and she said at the husband.
And the husband called and now she gonna say, oh comes the husband call and she come back. So the lady she's too mad. She's too I don't know. There's something about her and she just so sad in her mind and then we just feel that something is going to reach her and that is what we are scared of.
Yeah, that man. We'll see how it's going on. All right?
Yeah, all right. So, bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Protection. Bless you.
All right.
Here we go. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon.
Good?
Talk up.
Raga, you're low.
Are you low?
Raga, what's up, baby?
Oh, this Mataran.
Yo, Wagwan.
Yeah, so me there, man. What go on?
Right, I'm there. But Raga,
whoa.
Really and truly, if you have some mix-up boat, help with the uptown and garden and mix up in a Raga. Because them are the mix up in a Raga.
Now, what I tell people all the while is if you really want to know what go on in Jamaica, if you really want to know what is happening in Jamaica, you talk to helper.
Yeah,
hold on. You talk to gardener. You talk to rubbish truck man them. You talk to police. You talk to barber, hairdresser. And you talk to housekeeping staff at hotels.
Yeah, okay. Man, when you want to know the people who call themselves good, what you call them so-called upscale people.
And prostitute, but it's a prostitute, right? The landlord knows that she sort out the wife and the wife knows that she sort out the land.
And she have to live there and pay Raga.
So she not pay rent?
No, she can't pay again.
Hold on, you never give her that mix-up here already?
No, sir. Raga, I saw something fresh front of the park. As I mentioned, I big up all helper and big up all gardener, Raga.
No, because I did hear one thing, I did hear a mix-up one time and then it's like the landlord give the woman money. But then when the landlord give him wife money, the wife use her money there to carry out the same girl and give her the money there to and give her some money.
Different stroke this. See that one you know?
Yeah.
She live by the house?
Yeah.
The man have one outside that will come down from foreign just for the gone.
Yeah.
And she come catch. The man I sort out her own that Raga.
Who catch who with what?
The girl regularly live at the house.
Yeah, the same girl where take the landlord and the landlord wife. What?
Yeah, but after when she see the site, that's how come the thing start. But she'd have the wife already.
Oh, so hold on. So she did that sort out the landlord wife already, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then she come catch the landlord and do the things and with them one outside daughter where my from foreign.
They will just come down one day too.
Will just come down one day.
Mm-hmm.
And then after she catch him, what man, you know? Don't give her no details, you know, whatever. But
after one time she catch them, Raga.
What?
After when she catch them, it's like the man have to pay for certain thing keep on the loan.
Oh, okay.
So for the thing keep on the loan, Raga, she not gonna want the money alone, Raga.
But why should I want the sort out from the landlord too?
She don't want the sort out, she just want the swipe in.
She just want the what?
She just want to swipe in.
All right, leave that alone. We can't go in on that. But so she'll get that from the landlord?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So she'll live pretty then, man.
All right, that's why I'm saying big up to all who have eyes. Can't see certain things at the end of the day, them live off of them eye.
Them live off of them eye?
Yeah.
And you're saying that, and if you don't mind me mentioning to people, that you are not able to see. So you have to big up to...
Yeah, me and say, because I realize that, Raga. I'm going to live free, Raga, man. I want to hear, Raga. So, enough people live off of them eye, Raga.
Enough people live off of them eye. No, it's an interesting perspective, and we could only get it from somebody who don't... What do you mean by people live off of them eye?
Certain things that them see, and when people know them see them have to pay to keep it down, Raga, and they live off fight enough money, Raga. That's some bossy people, Raga. Let me tell you something, Raga. You have some bossy people who go a certain place with certain woman. And it's like the people them who work at the hotel build up the bed, make up the bed and them something, Raga.
Yeah.
When them see certain people, I know say people stay in a Raga. Them pay them, take them off big time in a Raga.
Because them see.
Yeah.
So is that case where them a live off of them eye?
Yeah, right.
And give it that you can't see, if you go hear them the sound and whatever, that them are going to say, you don't have nothing to forget because you never see nothing.
I can't live off of my years because I don't know who.
So is it the case that people who have that disability in terms of cancer like you, is it that sometimes when I sit down and talk and say, boy, them lucky, them can't live off of them, yeah, you know?
Sometimes I look at me, don't want to live off of my
You wish you could have seen somebody mix up them, eh?
I want to you, man. I don't go past some spot, just park up and just lean back, Raga, just see them. I say, I come back now, I just, pass them and greet them. I let me know them name. I say, good morning, Mr. So-and-so.
All right, well, you have anything else to say? Because we have to take a break. All right, I eat that. I eat that.
Yes, Raga, eat that. But I big up, because it's a help to tell me about it in Raga.
Quick, I will take a break.
No, I say it's a help to tell me about that mix up there.
Okay, because
come up to both people and like, listen, you're sure Raga about it, then come out here, them and say, what is he saying now? Turn it up a bit.
All right, now see a word here. All right, Mataran, blessings here.
Cool.
Manners. I want to break people soon, jiggy back.
A mix up and blend that time.
Okay, a mix up with Senan. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga.
Whoa.
Wagwan.
What day you know?
Come here, I want the little $500 credit to the people in man buy me.
The people in man, you take some of the man and then buy credit gear?
Yes.
Don't worry yourself, baby. So I go down, talk up to me.
Let me say, Raga, about the girl where she get the foursome, Raga.
Yeah.
If I me like she, Raga.
No, it was a five. Hold on, it was a 5-some.
It was okay. Well, what may I say? You see, if I me like she, you know, Raga, may go and take what me I get, right? Because she say, people they must say now 50 pack gear, right?
Yeah.
Go and take what me I get and put on to make my future, Raga. You see it?
All right.
But go and build something for myself.
All right. So let me ask you something now. So with all them 50 pack and all them money there, you don't go and take them?
Yeah, because...
Well, so you don't go and take them and make the boss go and rinse you out?
Make you go and do what she do.
Well, exactly. So you don't go and take the salt out from her then?
Yeah, because guess what, Raga? By any idea in a Raga, me, I go have something in my hand in a Raga. Me, I go and open a shop or open a business for myself. So I just left she and just bust it out and make them know what I want.
After you, but when I say, the point do is do. Are you a lesbian?
I'm not a lesbian, but me see something what can go on for me.
So you're saying you're not a lesbian, but
no.
If you're in a position where you can get a whole heap of money from a woman assault you out regularly every night, you're going to do it?
Never do it.
Are you still not be a lesbian?
But I have an idea what I get when I want and I see I can work out a thing for myself. I'm done with it. I now go back to no woman night and nothing. Everything done with it.
So you just do it for a while, forget the money there for a while, right?
Yeah, because I go want something for myself, you know.
Okay, so...
I open a business or a shop or something for myself, you know, run she, you know. Because I don't want she again because I get what I want.
Okay, so it's just an opportunity right now to get a good amount of money where you're going to use productively to make your life better and at the end, don't it?
Exactly.
Then suppose you going to do it too and you're going to like it and all them things and then go like half
of it. I'm not going to like it. I'm going to put it this way.
No, man, you're sure. Like it. Then if she do the things them to you and it feel good and whatever, you know, there's a principle out there when me learning at school, you know, the pleasure principle. Once you experience it, you are disposed for want it again.
No, but when I say Raga,
yeah.
Me now go put that in my mind and say me I go do it for the rest of my life. Me I do it to make a something out of life and done with it.
No, but when I try to tell you too, you have a whole heap of prostitute right now who did say them just going to do it for 1 or 2 years, you know. And them in 8, 10, 12 years later, them still do it.
Yeah, that's true, you know, that's true for sure.
Yeah.
But me I set myself and know say me now go turn prostitute for the rest of my life.
Okay. But do you understand where she come from though, where she say, yo, I want to work, you know, I want whatever, you know, but when I go can me with no money, I don't want to think you can just come and rinse up my body so all the time. Even though I didn't enjoy it, want to do it, it's not something I want to continue and so forth because I just want to keep my work, get my money and whatever, so I go expose it in another way and ease it off and so forth. You understand for your point?
Yeah, I understand for your point, but me I give away when me say, me see say I can make a thing out of life. That's all. Okay. I understand everything where she has.
So you would have never sleep. You would have never sleep with a woman just for pleasure.
No. If she have, what the a man mentioned it to me, Raga.
A what?
A woman give me a man.
Yeah.
Come to me and say if a woman give me $5,000 to lay down with her, if I would take it, I say that's no money. And a money that for me take $5,000 and lay down with a woman.
If a woman give 50 pack though.
Yeah,
I use a money dot. I use a spread out the Saddam.
Where's that?
I use a spread out the Saddam. All right, no, not too much. No, all right then. But anyway, we hear your perspective on thing because what you say at the end of the day, survival and money at the end of the day. But you understand where she come from, though. Where she say, boy, not even the money can really make she continue in her life there and make her boss or rinse her out them way. But you say you that take the money and make the boss do what she do in a business.
Yeah. Same way, sir.
Every night, sir.
And every night thing?
Yeah, man.
Every night thing, man.
No, they in a year one night time when she tell her, man. I think yesterday she tell her, say, when she go.
Me never hear it yesterday, now. This morning, me I pick it up, you know.
Yeah, she tell her from yesterday, and we just talk back to her. And when after she go back at the place and thing and whatever, the woman that takes it upon her every night. You that? Yeah. So you that man.
I never hear the every night thing, but if I saw it have to go in, I saw it have to go for me get my. You know, I never want to drive big van and big car, so you know, I want to show you.
So you don't make a woman rinse you out every night just to get some good money for drive big van and big car?
I know everything I got done, so I got left back some man.
But me I say you don't make the woman still rinse you out though just to get the money. Okay, all right then.
Yeah.
All right, let's say a word here.
Welcome more.
Protection. Yeah, good afternoon, hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Greetings.
I'm just a dirty raga.
Dirty raga to the world. I own it. Cause I'm a people. On the can't one on the sim upon the road and down the dirty raga.
Dirty raga.
Cause we know. Okay then.
Raga.
Yeah.
From 2007, me a whole, you know.
From 2007.
Yeah, for you talk about dump in a belly and mean man and my friend them a laugh at me and me can't cough it myself.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway. More big up the girl. We go start out with him bonner man.
Yeah.
I put on the bonner man brief. And when him go home and him husband want the thing.
Yeah.
And the big old brief she have on.
Oh. Tambourine! So what you say? So in that darkness that she make mistake and put on the wrong underwear, no?
I will tell you, sir.
Eh?
I big up my co-worker, them at Jamaica National.
Well, it's not a big, we can't once you go start big up them, we go, you know, don't, and careful.
Yeah, that one big up everybody.
Yeah, man, just big up Jamaica National and leave it there, yeah.
Yeah, and may I big up my soup too, you know.
All right, you see your guy now, will I big up now? We don't want...
Yeah, what going on, Raga?
What?
In the listen program, you know. Well, you hear that joke, yeah? When I'm bridging from Tivoli.
Yeah.
Office thing, department, a kind of pay get a youth and thing, you see?
Yeah.
So we say, to settle back on me a biggie. Which one I prefer?
Yeah.
The two of them are disgusting. I prefer 69.
Me 69. Tambourine! Well, I don't want people misunderstand what you say. You refer to Miss 69, right? Okay.
I don't know what you name, you know.
Yeah, Miss. So what? The soup same that listen to the show.
No.
And the youth them argue out a second back come here, Biggie, which I prefer. And him jump in and say the two of them are disgusting. I prefer Miss 69.
I prefer Miss 69.
Mad.
Uptown man, you know.
Mad. And same that listen to the show, no.
You know, listen to the show.
Damn rich them man, they don't listen to show, but them don't listen to show, but them know every striking thing, but the show know the character, them and the regular caller, them lucky.
And this a Glendeva. Sometimes I get a Glendeva they on the line.
Yeah.
And put me shell down the end.
Shell down the sit them papa. Now say a word here, proper respect here.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Protection. Okay. Same not listen to the show. And them argue between Biggie and Sekeba coming which one I prefer him jumping. The two of them are disgusting. I rather miss 69. Big up me 69 over there in Montego Bay. Big up Sekaba coming in Brownstown, St. Ann. And big up Biggie in Jerusalem, St. Across and Marvel. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
My turn?
Yeah, man, I your time.
I'm talking to Raga.
You want you?
Oh, gosh, I'm nervous.
What's up?
Yeah. Well, I want Mixup, Raga.
Yeah, send on the Mixup.
From Spanish Town, Kingston here, right?
Yeah.
This woman live in Canada.
Yeah.
Our friend who got up for a man. Oh, God, I'm nervous.
You're nervous, baby. You know you cannot be nervous when you're talking to Uncle Raka. Okay.
Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Our friend, she tell me this now, Raga, because my son out the road.
Yeah.
And, she come. Tell her first about the first, lad. Our friend hook her up to one man, right?
Yeah.
She live in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
And she will want Jamaican man and all these things. So she mind the friend, by the friend big care and all these things. And she mind the man where our friend hook her up on.
Yeah.
They might build big house and all these things. Last week, Wednesday now.
Yeah.
The woman come and my son out the road and she called him over, say he must come help her.
Uh-huh.
The woman, she find out, say, our friend asleep with the man where she hook her up on. Our friend has started with the man where our friend hook her up on.
Right.
And she come down and find out that she move out everything out of the house now.
Uh-huh.
After the house finished now, but one next part there where them build up on.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So the woman take out the bed, the dresser, the fan, everything.
Uh-huh.
Me go over there now fast, so she tell me this other one now. So the woman gone know everything. Like the man come back and find out.
Yeah.
When he come back, also the woman take off the window, he take off the grills, take off the mosquito net, she take off everything.
Oh, jeez. This are the Canadian woman?
Yes. She and my son, them and some other man that on the corner.
Yeah.
She them to come help her, and she will give them a thing.
Yeah.
Just help her move all the things and man chuck outside and all these things.
Yeah.
The woman gone now and come back. We are set down kind of window that left on the house. The door that left on the house.
Uh-huh.
The mosquito net, the dog, them, the kennel, everything gone.
All of the bullshit is gone, eh?
Everything gone. To make it worse now, we say it done. We see one man over there rake up the lawn, like a lift up the lawn.
Yeah.
Off of the place I left some mud. The brick tile them out of the garage and everything for driveway. Because a nice
Hold on, when they say, what am I doing with the lawn? He might take out the grass out of the land, though.
Take out the grass, them, and the fence and the floor.
Because I be a dirt, them. So wait, the Canadian woman make sure she take every striking thing. She'll take out the grass. So wait, she'll take out the brick them out of the driveway, though.
Everything, right?
Hold on. That's why I tell you, say, I have some people out there, them have common sense and thing, you know. Them have one bag of degree and no. You know, see, is a regular conduct around there, so, you know. You know, say the girl and the man did there before they met the link with the Canadian woman. You pick up that yet?
I don't know, Raga.
Let me tell you, man. You have a regular little can out there. It's like two people involved. You understand? Or did involve and whatever, and one leg or the other one pan them, and the money come in, and the two of them are mine, whatever.
But Raga, we will live at the neighborhood things that she and the woman who did there and the man married, you know. We never know nothing about the Canadian woman and stuff. Since she come out, she move out and she say, the youth them come help her, I go over there and look and ask her, what going on so? Because we never know nothing about her. We are things say,
then that me I tell you think say the girl and the man, you think say the two of them different. You think say the two of them different long time, don't it?
Yes, said the man.
I milk the foreigner.
But the woman come back, Raga, and it look like say either the man or the woman had gone for the Heroes Day weekend or something.
Yeah.
But
she plan it, man. Let me tell me God truth, I know. The Canadian woman, you know, she white. She white?
Yeah, she white.
The white Canadian woman, talking got you. She look good. I bet you she don't look too wonderful. No.
It looks like she's too sugar. And she not really, you know, like a nice, quiet, calm lady.
Uh-huh.
And she look old too. She not at a fancy like.
Oh, she look. When is it old? She.
Like No, she not at of Ali.
Let me ask you, but she look older than the man where she married to, don't it?
No, man, our friend a young girl.
Eh?
Our friend a young girl.
The friend a young girl, but the man we in the mix. Him young too or him old?
Him old. Him look like him about in his 40s.
Oh, him in his 40s?
Mm-hmm.
And him there with the young girl?
Yeah.
Okay. I milk the foreigner, man. You have them look let me tell you something.
Like,
you have a whole heap of people, you know. Have them man, have them woman, but one of them there with a foreigner, you know. I send on the money, you know. And all kind of little thing I have to work out to make sure so the money send on, man. She get brush up, man. I find out right, you know. I come take back her grass and everything. I can't believe that she come take back the grass and they bring them in the driveway. Mad.
But other that many people in the neighborhood are mad in Raga. You see the two of them at the girlfriend, the young one,
yeah.
She drive one nice car. Toyota picnic, but it's fixed up and it look good.
Right.
And the man him drive one sports car, one Honda S2000 or something like that.
Right.
And them iPad and well when them walk out with them little puppy and all these things. And one little boy don't know who the little boy belong to. But
them bossy with them big house and them two car.
And them nice car and all these things.
And them walk out with the bossy dog. I want bossy dog there, bro.
Yeah, two nice little dogs.
Oh, Lord. So wait, all of that gone now?
Mr. Raga, down to the gate, the woman take off. No door, no window, no nothing.
She gone with the gate, the door, the window, the mosquito net.
The flowers, the fence.
She probably take out the pipe them too, don't she? Take out the pipe them too. She must take out the pipe them too. She
take out everything, the curtain. Is empty shell.
Listen to me.
Empty shell.
If you tell me, say the woman take up the grass off of the land, you not have to tell me no more. You know. You not have to tell me no more.
Everything.
Listen, for you tell me. Listen, when somebody go back, when somebody go back this and I take back everything. For them reach the point where them reach the grass, you know, say everything done got. You're lucky she never strip off the striking paint. You understand? So wait, what happened to the man? What happened to the man and the woman now?
Wait, and it look like them be gone for the USD weekend or something, but I never see them come back for the whole time. Because about 3 or 4 trips she make, you know. And last time when she come back now, I stick up the lawn and every flowers, I say, all right, you know.
I shave them, no matter come back, you know.
When the man come back, because I see him carry over there no Raga. And like, him come back and I never see the woman carry though. Him come back and I be walk around the house and all these things now. You see me, but because not too long, most of them come back. But I don't know what going now. 2 men up there take off the roof, Raga.
And I take off the roof?
I take off the roof off of the house.
But are the Canadian woman send them to?
But must. We're going to make everything.
All right, well, we're going to try get. We're going to try get one more call before we go away here.
All right.
Respect for that one there.
I want little sister, she worship it. It's like how you have people have them poster Ocean and them something there.
Yeah.
Every newspaper clipping she post up in her room, picture with the Raga. Every picture when she come, she print them and post them up in her room, she worship the Raga.
Allah.
I love your bad.
All right, big her up for me here. What is her name?
Kathy.
Kathy, big up Kathy for me here. Proper respect, all right?
She must have dead now.
Tell Kathy Raga loves her.
I love her.
All right, take care here. Blessings. Okay, bounce another. Hey, that woman there go hard. That Canadian woman there, don't. She go hard, yo. I'll take the roof. No, that bad doing, you know. Me always hear about people that take back everything. Me never hear people that take back the grass yet. Never. Tishana says she's lucky she never take all the dirt. I said, listen, it's my topsoil. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
I'm calling about the girl that called before the guy.
Yeah.
When she said should I make the woman sort out just to get the stuff?
Yeah.
She's an opportunist. I don't wrong that girl. It sweet her the first time, but just to say it lead to a different direction.
Right.
Stop it.
Right.
Because if you're that, you don't have to bring that to your helper.
Well,
you don't have to bring that to your helper.
And it's just a fundamental disrespect for people from a certain demographic, and thing, You have a whole heap of them don't respect helper.
No. All right, suppose I tell you that I'm a helper.
Right.
And when I'm listening to your show,
yeah,
my boss sister, I have to take time to talk.
Your boss sister, yeah.
Yes. You're listening to that disgusting. I don't like it. I said, what do you do? When do you? I don't like it. You can't listen to. I said, listen to me. I listen to what I want to listen to. Don't tell me what to listen to.
Good.
Because when I'm listening to this man under here, trust me, you make me dear.
All right, Putus.
When you're never there on the ear, me down world without end.
Oh, sure.
And I'm a first-time caller.
Okay.
And tell you, I love him so much.
Thank you so much for your feedback and your support. And we're there for entertaining.
Yeah, man, and tell the girl that's a bit strong, man, and stand up to our dignity, all our pride.
All right.
Nobody humiliate
her, right?
Right.
Good.
You understand? Stand up to our pride.
See
if you left, and go look at different work. Simple as that.
It goes, so.
Yeah, man.
All right. Protection here.
Yeah, man. Good.
Okay, give me a 1 minute call. It's a 1 minute. Anybody come on a 1 minute. Hello, it's only 1 minute you have here.
Hello?
Yes, you only have 1 minute here.
Yes, Raga. Long time listener, first time caller.
Yeah.
I want to big you up for the work that you are doing. I know it's 1 minute, but listen out. You see the girl that came on and telling that she would have done anything to get what she wants.
Yeah.
No, she needs to take a stock of herself.
Okay.
Because she don't know what that girl is going through and what that girl went through, and she don't know what can happen to her if the person find out that is what she is doing.
Right.
You need to be careful. You cannot make, because of material things, you lower your standard. Pick up she need to take a stock of herself.
All right, then our blessings here.
All right.
You take care of your put us blessing.
All right.
Okay, people.